After the Amber Heard trial, Johnny Depp's addiction reappears with a vengeance. He was discovered unconscious in a hotel after years of hardship brought on by his ex-wife Amber Heard's allegations of domestic abuse. Johnny Depp is now at last making progress in his life. They even got into a legal battle, but it was ultimately resolved. He was spotted concentrating more on his music career after the litigation was officially over, but not everything is going well. The health of Johnny Depp caused the cancellation of the concert. The source claims that he missed the soundcheck before the scheduled show, which was relatively unimportant given how commonplace it is in this business. The stage was set, and the backstage staff was prepared for the party. I never even considered that there would be an issue, especially because the band members had already completed the sound setup that was supposed to take place in the afternoon. They carried on speaking. Nobody gave Johnny Depp's absence a second thought because a staff member put up his microphone, which is common practice for celebrities. The informant claimed that things started to get a little strange. All that has been reported is that Depp was so overexcited that he was unable to leave the hotel. Even a doctor was asked to check on him due to his unknown health state. We also heard that they called a doctor to determine whether his overindulgence as a rock star was the only issue. Despite the fact that many are concerned about his health, many claim that his prior actions make his addiction a probability. His history of drug and alcohol problems was also a factor in the defamation lawsuit he filed alongside his ex-wife, Amber Heard. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's defamation lawsuit. A 6-week defamation trial involving the former couple was brought by the Pirates of the Caribbean actor in 2019 against his ex-wife. In December 2018, Heard published an opinion article for The Washington Post in which she referred to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. This is when everything began. Even though she didn't specifically blame her ex-husband by name, the timing of the opus ed and their contentious divorce led everyone to suspect that he was the culprit. His reputation and career were severely damaged as a result of this deceptive label, which prompted him to take steps to demonstrate his innocence. He filed the complaint and asked for $50 million in compensatory and punitive damages from the Aquaman actress. She countersued him for $100 million in the meanwhile. The court ultimately decided in favor of Depp, paying him $10.35 million in damages, while giving her $2 million for her counterclaims. She intended to fight the verdict since she wasn't happy with it, but she ultimately settled the case by offering to pay him $1 million.